Hi everyone, my name is Miss Ginder and I am going to be your third grade teacher this year. I am so excited to have you in my class and I cannot wait to get to know you guys more. Before I get to know you, I wanted to just tell you a little bit about myself. So here is a photo of my family. I have my mom and dad. My mom is a kindergarten teacher, and then three older sisters. Jessica is the oldest, Anna, and then Madeline. Here I do have a photo of my boyfriend Quentin and I. I thought I should include that because we have been dating for a long time, almost 6 years, and so I know there will be times that I tell stories or mention him, and so I thought I would let you put a face to his name when you hear me talk about him. This sweet little baby right here is Miss Birdie Hayes. She is my niece. My oldest sister Jessica had her this summer, June 25th, so it's been a really fun summer getting to spoil Birdie and just spend a lot of time with her. At the bottom, you may notice a photo of Taylor Swift and her newest album. I am a huge Taylor Swift fan. I like to play music while I'm working, and it's often Taylor Swift is what I'm playing. So that's a fun fact about myself. And then Washburn University is where I attended my undergraduate and got my bachelor's degree from. So what you can look forward to this school year in third grade, the big one in math is multiplication and division. We spend lots of time learning how to multiply and then later divide. We also cover fractions in the spring. We do a lot of graphing, picture graphs, bar graphs, line graphs, tally charts, frequency tables, lots of graphing. Cursive is a very exciting thing that we do in third grade that students get very excited for. The Wax Museum is our big project. We do that in April. You get to pick a famous person to research and dress up as. Being the older study buddy, so we still do study buddies in third grade, but instead of you having an older study buddy, you get to be the influence or the older one. We meet with the first grade classes who our study buddies are, and we do study buddies about once a month. And then the big change from second grade to third grade, you will get PE and music for 40 minutes every other day. So one day we will go to PE for 40 minutes, and then the next day will be music for 40 minutes, and you just switch back and forth rather than going to both for 20 minutes a day. You'll just do one a day, but then you get it for 40 minutes, which is nice. So my expectations from you, they are pretty simple in our classroom. I just ask that you be kind to everyone. You will notice I have a lot of kindness things around. Please be kind. I want you to be safe. I want you to work hard and just have fun because we have a lot of stuff to do throughout the day. So it's really important that we are just working hard, but I love to have fun, and we will have a lot of fun together in third grade. So now it's your turn. I want to get to know you. So you are going to be creating a Flipgrid video. I am here to help you with this if you are a little unfamiliar with Flipgrid. It is a great website that you can use to post videos, and it's kind of like we can see everyone's video that submits it, so we can all get to know each other together. But what you need to include in your Flipgrid is your name and a photo of yourself, 3 fun facts about yourself, what you're most excited about for third grade, and a goal of yours for this school year. So I would maybe jot these 4 things down on a piece of paper on a whiteboard so that you know what you're going to include in your video. Once you are done with your video, you are going to just title it with your name and then submit it into the Flipgrid assignment, which should already be done for you if that's what you're uploading on. So I look forward to getting to know you all. I can't wait for this school year. It is going to be awesome. And yeah, I can't wait to watch your videos, guys.